Hi everybody, it's Carl Emerson here from Punta, Mita, and with Jim Lipe. I'm going to hand it over to him. He's going to give us an update as to where we stand here at the middle of August 2021 and how things are looking. Over to you, Jim.
Hey, thanks, Carl. It's always good to bring everything up to date. This is my fifth trip in. Generally, I'm here 3 or 4 days. I'm working very closely with Bob Rubidoux on the improvements, the changes we're making to all the green complexes, which I'm sure most members are aware. We're dealing with green complexes, which means we're not only dealing or reshaping, reimagining the greens surfaces with percentage of slopes, fall-offs, new pin placements, some enlargements of the greens, also different ways to play the greens where you have backstops and different ways to get into, say, a pin that's placed behind a bunker. You'll be able to feed the ball in the greens, and the speed's going to be a little higher, and it's going to be, I think, a lot more fun. But we're also reimagining or reshaping bunker complexes to coincide with the strategy that we're trying to employ on the golf course. And I think you're going to really like the bold look that we're coming up with. I'm really excited about the work that's been going on. It's exceptional work. I am very, very pleased with just working with the entire Punta Mita DNA group, working with Matt Hathaway's group, construction company. I think they're doing an exceptional job under Bob Rubidoux's leadership, and I couldn't be more pleased. I think the membership is just going to be so excited when we do get to open this golf course, hopefully sometime in mid-November, mid to late November. It's going to be an exciting time. Whole new golf course, whole new experience, and I hope I'm here to play it with you.
Good one, Jim, and we look forward to having you back when that date comes around. And thank you for it. Sounds exciting, all that nice wrap-up you gave us, and hope everybody enjoys the images that we put together of Jim and Bob and the whole team here working hard to make this happen. So exciting times ahead. Thanks, mate, and see you again soon.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Cheers.